Okay, so I said I was going to be playing Breakin' last video, but I seriously couldn't help myself. I wanted to play Piggy, and here we're joined by my friend Blessing. So, shout out to my best friend Blessing. Her account just recently got hacked, sadly. Yeah. I'm not saying she's dumb or anything, but I feel bad. So we got bot, which sucks. I don't like bot. But that's okay. Yes, I'm black. I'm being black for these games. I'm going to be black because I'm supporting black people. But wearing all black also supports people. And my avatar hasn't even looked corrected. Freaking. This is how I look, but I was supposed to look like that. I was supposed to look like this, but it ended up failing, and I ended up looking like this. But it's not. But that's okay. I'm not mad. You can call me a princess, I like to love. So we got the plank, which I don't know where it goes for. What you need it for? What should I need it for? Huh? What do you need this for? This plank. Oh! Yeah! Right here. There we go. Ah! It's Piggy! Run, Blessing! Run before you get killed! Thank God Piggy's probably dumb. Thank God the Piggy's dumb because it's a bot. Otherwise we'd be dead. We've been killed. We get killed. Huh? What's this? Oh, the silver case is there. Dang, where's that orange key? Huh, where's that orange key? Oh, I know where the blue key is. Let me go find it. Gotta go find a blue key. I know where it is, but... Oh God. Ah! It's just like... fun. Ah! Oh my God, that was like so close. Oh God, 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 oh God. Oh God, oh God, I'm going to be screwed. I'm going to get screwed. Out of my mind, please, Blessing. Open that thing before we get killed. Open it! I'll keep it distracted. Ah! Oh, great. So we're going to be selecting Blessing now. There she is. She has an orange key. God dang it, Blessing. Blessing! Blessing! God! Sorry if my voice is getting a little bit amplified. Sorry, I'm just don't want her to get killed. And now, I'm just kidding. Oh no. Gosh, this bot might be smarter than I thought. Go on, Blessing. Blessing. Oh my goodness, Blessing. Go, Blessing. Go, Blessing! Go, Blessing! Hurry, Blessing! Be careful. That dude's going to whack the crap out of you. Okay, somebody else got it because Blessing was too scared to get killed. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Blessing, get over there. Blessing, oh my goodness. Go, get to the exit. You're gonna escape. You're gonna get killed. Get to the exit. There it is. Get there. Get there. Get there. Get to the exit. Yes, Blessing. Yes. We're still looking at lovely Anna and this girl, Sophie. So, oh, these two are not even escaping, which is kind of annoying. Okay, there we go. Anna, what the heck? What the heck, Anna? This girl is not escaping. I'm just going to see if Sophie is going to escape. Is Sophie even going to escape? Go on, Sophie. Escape. Yes, yes, yes. And yes. Good job. Now we're waiting for Anna, who does not even want to escape. She's just avoiding the exits when it's right there in her face. She's avoiding it. That's sad. She's just avoiding the exit. And she just got killed. Wow. Wow. Anna's just whoop. Like, Anna's just like, nah, that's not. I'm trying this here. I want to get everything first. I'm not trying to be sarcastic, but that's just exactly what she is. How about we go for chapter 12? Chapter 12.
I'm glad you caught that.
That was my brother. Sorry, guys. There we go. There's my avatar. So, oh, here we are. Oh no, here's Piggy. Piggy, no, please, Piggy. No, get out there. No. God dang it. How? Where does the blue key go? Let me see. Oh, heck no. Oh, God. Oh, crap. I'm gone. Oh, God. 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 No! Please do not kill me. I'm too young to die. Ugh. I'm just running around in circles. I'm just running around in circles because they won't leave me the crap alone. Ah! No! I'm going to get myself... Dang it. Oh, the only person got killed. Well, isn't that just suck? I really want Trader and Plant Map. Because as the Plant Map is the ending and Trader is quite fun. I like it. So we got Trader, and let's see who's the Trader. Oh, I'm not the Trader. I'm not supposed to choose. So either Sophie or Foxy or that dude, Venom, Mesa. Oh my god. What happened to you, doggy? You idiots! What happened to you? Come on, open. Nothing in here. I'm scared. Is he the Trader? Okay. He's not the Trader. Let's just open this bed. What's up? Okay. Let's get the green key. Oh, okay. What's this? I'll grab it. Ah! Ah! Oh my god. Wait, so that person that died was a traitor? So guys, I'm going to be ending the video here. Thank you so much for watching. And Waking, I promise, will be next. Thank you so much for watching.